Okay, good morning. So I'm currently waiting for my dad to come get me so we can unload the truck, and we're waiting on a part for the auger still. And so today is Friday and the last time I filmed was Wednesday, and then we are gonna try to pick both of the semis full and the grain cart is fixed, so there's some extra storage, and hopefully our auger part will be here this afternoon and we'll be able to continuously move corn. And I'll show you guys how our auger system is set up, how we put corn into the grain bins, and yeah, so stay tuned. So he's going to take this truck to the yard and we'll unload it, and then we'll bring it back with another semi and the grain cart. So I'm the gate opener. This field is kind of annoying because we go through the pasture and we have to shut that gate and this gate until we get it picked, and then we'll be able to put the cows in the stalls. We're gonna take a moment out of the day to tell you why harvest weight is like so hard to avoid. I obviously work with my dad, so we do a lot of like, you know, side-by-side stuff. So my diet is totally different than what he would eat. And I'm getting out of a vehicle and I gave him a ride to the semi, whatever. Anyway, so this is the struggle that I deal with on a daily basis. That's potato chips. Yes, it is. I just need to resist eating those because I have not been working out. It's so busy. So this is a struggle, the resisting of potato chips. Okay, so we still have not received the auger piece yet, but we haven't checked the mail. Anyway, so we're currently in the field and there are two semis here because the fuel tank is fixed, like I said. So I'm actually in the blue Peterbilt. I'm just sitting here hanging out waiting for my dad to come back with the combine, and then I'm gonna go hop in the combine with him. And so we'll pick these two trucks full and see if the part came. And we'll drive them back to my dad's yard where we put all the corn into the grain bins. But today the prices went up and I'm pretty excited about it. So that's pretty cool. A positive thing. Farmer Friday. Okay, hello you guys, coming at you from the tractor cab. It's cold here, in case you were wondering. I do not have a grain driver operator today, and we're going to be hauling corn directly to the elevator because the prices have been so good that we're not even gonna mess around with storing it like we had been. So I will still show you like our storage system, and it's a lot. I don't like it, but right now I'm gonna take this grain cart and I'm gonna unload it on our semi over there. So let's get to it. Do it. I'm in an 8330 tractor, John Deere, because you know we only know green. Yeah, okay. Here we go. Make a little circle. My auger's on this left side, so I can pull up alongside the truck. Pull up alongside the truck, and I'll show you what I do when I run my tractor to unload. I do not hit the stacks for starters, because those are pretty and expensive. And I pull up alongside this trailer here. Good enough. And then I put her in park, put my RPMs to about 1200, right in that area. Turn on my PTO. I open my grain door on the cart, so you see that arrow moving up, and now we're unloading, and so I fill the truck. And my dad's out there, out yonder in the combine. And pickup's there. Cows are over there. So, yeah. Okay, and then you pull up because the bin was full on the trailer, okay? And then it gets close to being empty. We're going through the mountains. We go, just joking. We're going through the mountains. Here we go, just joking. So obviously it's a little foggy. My windshield's doing really well. The combine is definitely full. I'm trying to make my way to my dad so that he can unload me. Unload. Don't hit me, sir. I'm coming. On my way. On my way. Okay. Cows say, how's it going? Not sure what we're doing here. This is a little different than I anticipated. Oh, I know. I know what we're doing. Yep, I'm gonna let him cut here, pick here, and then I'm gonna swing around on the other side of him, and we're gonna do this. We're gonna swap spots. Tractor vibes going on. Let's do this. I wish it was kind of like my, this is all the way down. Sorry about it. High-speed chase. It's a high-speed pursuit. Can't really see me. It's a rough one. We're coming in hot. We're coming in hot. I wish I could just flip the camera around so you can see, but I can't. So you're just gonna have to see me when I get underneath the auger. High-speed chase. There it is, kids. Man, this steering wheel deal is like right in the road. On in here, so it's helping a little bit, but kind of rough. Getting close to the end here for him, so then we'll end up stopping if it's not empty. Fuller. The cows in the background. They're like, hey. Okay. Okay, my Blue Peter's full. Let's take it to town. We're no longer storing in the grain bins, like I said, although I will show you the process of that. But let's go trucking, boys and girls. Ooh-wee! So while I go trucking, he's gonna fill the other semi for me, and I'll be back. See you soon. We're pulling onto the scales. I'm just, I got you over here viewing this. Then I'm gonna turn you around. Totally recording this. And then you listen for the key. Here we go. Okay, I'll roll up my windows. So the nice thing about this back valley is that it's got an awesome pit. So, usually I don't go like this way around. I go the opposite way. So, I don't know. It's new, it's fine. It's okay. Okay, so this is like super fast because, like I said, there's two deals. Okay, so we're unloaded. And now I go get my grain ticket. So that's exciting. It's like super quick. Moisture is 13.6, test weight 61. Okay, and now we leave. Another truck's coming in, and we're leaving. Okay, so this truck is full, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop into this semi, and we're gonna take off. All right, hop into this one. Got my water. And we'll get ready to go. Okay, let's try this view with a different semi. This is the white one. Speedy traps. Speedy traps. It would help if my trap doors weren't so hard to open. This is the crappy trailer. It's a Merit. The other one's a Merit too, but I like the newer one. So, here we are. I accidentally put it in reverse, okay? Accidentally. We're in reverse. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Moisture 13.5, 1020, 61 is the test weight. And we move on. Off to the field, we go. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. I'm gonna do another video of our grain bin system when I get caught up. Maybe next week's video. We'll shoot towards next week, okay? Please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget about my Instagram, my True Fans, my TikTok, Patreon, all of these things. Don't forget about them. All of these things, don't forget about them. Okay, thank you. I love you.